Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's Excel video, I'm going to show you 4 different methods to find unique values. So let's go ahead and get started. Method 1 is remove duplicates. This is one of my favorite methods. I use this one all the time. Here we go. Column A, I got a list of customers. I want to find the unique customers. I'm going to copy. Paste anywhere you want to. Go to the Data tab at the top, and you're going to use the Data Tools. Here is Remove Duplicates right here. Click it once. It picked up that I've got a header row called Customer, and I'm going to click OK and click OK. There we go right there. Method number 2 used to be one of my favorite methods, but now that I've got remove duplicates, I don't need it anymore, but it is using filter. Data tab, under sort and filter, we have advanced filter right here. Click it one time. I'm going to highlight A1 to A11. I've already selected it. I do want to copy to another location. Copy to, I'm just picking a place. How about I1? But make sure you check unique records only. Click OK. There I go right there. That was advanced filter. Method number 3, also another favorite, is using a pivot table. Insert pivot table. I usually put my pivot tables on another worksheet, but for this example, I'm just going to stick it right here on this worksheet. I'm going to check customer, done. If by chance you want to know how many orders each customer placed, just drag customer, because it's a text field, and drop it into values. So there you go. The header rows in row 1, 11 rows, so there are my 10 orders right there. Method number 4, so that was number 3, was pivot table. Method number 4 only works with Microsoft 365 subscription, but I love this. It is the unique function. Equals unique, highlight this range, just press enter. There you go right there. It spills down and fills down the screen. Cool little tip about this method. If you make this a table, Control T. My range is now a table. Here's unique function again. Highlight. Great. Add somebody else down here and it automatically picks up. So the 4 methods, this one will update automatically. A pivot table would update if you're using a table as your source, but you would still have to hit refresh your pivot table. One huge feature this unique function will do, technically what I've been finding is, we call this unique, but really these are not unique. Here's what's unique. Unique is anyone, that has only placed an order once. The rest are technically distinct. So if you look in my data, Dodge is in there one time, and so is Nissan. If I change one of these Kias to a Nissan, I should be left with just Dodge. If I add my name, now it's correct. It's Kia, Chris, and Dodge just one time. So there is the unique function. If you're asking me which one do I use all the time, I usually just use remove duplicates. Just remember, if you use remove duplicates and update the data, it's not going to change your duplicate list. Here is a remove duplicates tip before I end this. Now, this time, I've got records that are duplicated, and it's the record for Ford, if you notice it right here. It's in here 3 times. Data, remove duplicates, header rows, all 3 are going to stay checked. Click OK. 2 should get eliminated. They do. Hit OK. Good. That's it. Feel free to subscribe. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you so much.